แต่ครูนี่เขามีประเด็นใหญ่นะอะไรหอยคลวนจัง
ก็ตอนสกอร์ครูนั่ง
ย่าแล้วโอเคแล้วเกมก็จะประดามาวิ่งได้บ้านนี่คือจะเกมตีมวยพงได้บ้านในต่อคันนี้
บ่าโอ้บ่าเกมนี่บ่ายังก็มาช่วยได้จำนวนสปอนเซอร์บ่ายังคือ Infinite Note Hazard Series MPL Edition สำหรับเกมมาเกือบนี้สารพอระเบิดเลือดการสมัครกระโดดอัดสายเป็นบานต่อ3สวัสดีขึ้นเนี่ยผมแปะจำนวนในครั้งอัมเบลระเบิดมา144 เฮิร์ตไอเล่นจำนวนในเกมมาบาลิจันได้หรือลุ้นแต่มาดองกระโดดเชียร์ผมแปะจำนวนในเรมมาเพย์บวนจิกไบต์อ้อมจำนวนในการรจนาพบเป็นตะดอยอันดุเพียบ
อยากโปรดีมาสเตอร์แอสเซน
โอ้ยโยไวมวยสมาบร้อย
บ่ย่อมาบ้าใจร้องว่าเลยนายย่อมาย่อนี่ย่อบ่าแล้วบานยกก็ต้องยกบ่อะไรที่มาได้แค่พอจะสร้างเกมนี้ตั้ง18 ลองติ๊กในเป็นคนบานยาตีตะกันเราวิสได้แค่
บ่จังนั้นอะไรเกมนี้โดยที่มาสมาร์แลนด์เต้โดยจะอัดมีการโชว์từบางแมปกับโดยที่การโชว์từ về đây về timeเต้บ่นายลิ้นหรือแบบ
แฟมเลือน
บ่สักสุดตัวแบบใบเต้
บ่เดี๋ยวยังยอมแลนสล็อตนั่งยอมมาชนะเบือนฟาร์มจะมาเมื่อทำไมเก็บมากเลยแต่ไม่ลีเกกรองสัตว์ไปเก็บบ้านตัวใบเช่นเนี่ยแล้วยังเมื่อซาสัตว์ไปซาไลตัวใบละเบือนยำระบอซาสูยำยืดเชี่ยงแต่ก็มีน่ะขวัดกระหม่อมมีน่ะโจลวดยำเยอะ
น้ำมวยทำไมจังวิจันได้ผัวซาตาลิ้นตัวไปจุดก้อนแฟมเรื่องก้อนมีในแฟมมาทายอยู่
บ่เวลาไหนยอดแมนเต้นทอดที่มวยหนึ่งเตยเชียงน่าจังเลยแบบบุญต้นแบบบุญในกิเลสจะเมื่อกาบบุญจะสะสมแต่เราเตะไปปวดแท้ไม่ได้ไม่ตลอดแต่ฟาชาไม่แต่แบบโอ้สิแคสราชคลีแลนด์ปากจากปาไดโน่อามีสิแคสขนมที่ไปในเตะกันเป็นบอกการตีโจที่ขนมตะลึงคิงอะไรชัวจ้านั่นในขนมปัตตานีมีการใช้สเปเชียลเฟิร์สบอลจนการหลุดไปสบายได้เรียบช่วยในการประตูไว้ตะลึงบีมเอาเลือกหายเราต่อไปเราได้แค่ผลแต่มันอาจจะบีมออกมาเราติดปากต่อปีต่อเฟลก
เฟลกเตะตกเฟลก
จงอัดมันติดตาสัจชัยมาเตี้ยเลยแบบมันเล่นอีกสโลว์ไหม
อัดโดยซิงสตาร์
ไปไรซิงสตาร์
ลิงเกี่ยวมาตอนหรือแบบวุ้นลิงก็บ้าเพื่อลิงไปทางติวโยบ่โคเข
กำพังไป
กำพังไป
บ่ก่อนปีโซนปีซ้ำไม่ใจกำพังยังไงนั่งอย่าง
บ่จะท้าที่มวยกันมาตลอดกับลาซิเลชันก็โดยตัวบ้านจมวยดัง first blood ตลอด King Ares โดยนี้บ่ King Ares จ่ายตังฟลิกเกอร์จ่ายเตียง
โอ้เลยมาเตะเขาจอปอมอุ้ยสเตอร์ดีที่กูบ่ปอมไว้ดาวไม่อ่านอย่างขมเอากันได้นะบอก King Ares
บ่
จังจะเลยบัลเลนบีโมเนี่ยอะไรบีโมเคลียร์
แกเต้นรถไฟเยอะแต่เลื่อนลายเยอะทำน้องลายกระดอทอยมาเป็นโดยเคลียร์
มีรำท่าใบแลนบัดตังใบยังบ้ง
สดใบแลน
ตังใบเพลย์ก็โดยจังก่อไว้ยังเมื่อเล่นฟรีฟาร์มเมียนกัดดันสามมวยขนมกาบางแมปอ้อยบางงี้สู้คลั่งไปไหนจังแกนี่โอ้น้ำตาลแต่เคยยังนะเพลย์ยาววิกี้นี่
สะพายมนเลยสะพายมนเลย
นั่งให้แปะสะพายโยม
แกเนี่ยเอียน
ở đây nam môi cái miên flow lên phát thêmไปข้างล่างcái miên trong lạiไอ้มวยแต่ยืงไปข้างล่างยืงอัดดังไอ้จังนะ
จังได้จะอัดไปให้สำหรับกอเต้เมียนสะเพอมาขบ้าไล่ใจจุ่มในเชียร์ตะดาวหลายดิขึ้นนี่
ปั๊บก็มากรุธาเรียนอาสะเพออะไรนี่ก็เปลกแน่นะอ่ะคันนี้จมวยนั่งกันจับอัพอัพบีเดเนี่ยคันนี้อันนี้จมวยโมบายชันสบายบานตามจัดยอดตามดาวนันทตัวบานไปที่ขนมกันจับแต่มวยเขาดัตเตอร์พี่รอย30 ปรำเป็นดำไหลตรมแต่ปรำมวยเวลาตายปะเนาะแต่คันนี้จ้องไอ้อยากกันเลยไปปีปวนเตอร์น้ำมวยตามดาวกันเป็นเกมชิงรถมวยตายจริงๆหน่อยครบท่ามวยโตหนึ่งมวยเคียวแต่เบอร์เคียวเกศ2 ลวยได้เดินบ้านได้จมูกแกไม่ได้ยอมแลนสลอดมาไปเพี้ยระเบือนฟาร์มหอยลวดจมูกหนึ่งสัตว์ไพรหนุ่มเต้
อ๋อพอบ่มวยแต่บัดบังจมูกหนึ่งโกแลนโดยเฉียเรียงมันเซอร์เชียจำนวนใหญ่ประมาณเต้มาละโม
นายมวยได้มนได้ยังวิกกี้เคลียร์แลนด์อะไรนะ
นั่งไง
จังอาเซอร์ไอ้ได้
ลิฟต์ไม่ขนองนะเคยแม่ไปต้องนะก่อนจังก่อนคือของแปลงสิบเคียวยอได้บ้านใจแลนสลอตนี่คือยอมมันลอยสัตว์ไผ่เราบอกจังกันเลยแอนด์ไม่ไอ้ชิมะตะกอนสบายบ้านประมาณนี้ขมันซาซื้อนั่งได้แค่ไทยเราบอกก้อนโมเบลที่ตัดอะไรในระบายประมวยต้องนั่งปล่อยบาตาไอ้จังกันเลยต้องอ่านบนนั่งประมวยต้องนั่งประมวยนั่งไประบายเบอร์เคียวนั่งใบตองหายมวยได้แค่เนี่ยอ๋อบนได้ต่อ
สักสูงปัลเลยท่าน
โอ้เล่นปีระบายได้บริษัทมันอาจจะง่ายประมาณในตัวใบจิกอดมันเกมมันประสิทธิ์สูง
ปรำปีบวนกันนะเป็นบางเสียงมีแต่กุบทางแต่บ้านปตาเลนส์รถมีบกอัลติเมทเรทรีบิชันช่วยไต่เชนในเหมือนการซิงเรทรีฟรียอดดอกยันนะช่วยการนักขนาดได้สร้างต้นในขนมเนปเพียมเลยในขณะการกระโดดกระเด็นด้านรถได้ปตาอาจจะไม่บาดเจ็บแต่แข็งแต่วายยอดในขณะได้ช่วยสายฟอร์ตะการกระโดดไวเจ้าไวยยอดตะบีเมาในขณะมันนักบีเมาในขณะ
King Eric គាត់ធ្វើបាល់អស់ខ្លាំងតែមក final slash បាញ់នេះជាប់ទៅដល់3ហេរ៉ូតែនៅ still damage នៅ early game បើយើងទៅគិតទៅជាមួយនឹង Sushin ជាហេរ៉ូដែលផុក skill ក៏ដូចជាបើយើងនិយាយពី line វិញដល់ full stake ក្នុងការតម្លាក់ ulti បានវាមានភាគរយក្នុងការឈឺខ្លាំងបាទ Louis ទៅបើក map ទៀតហើយ
មានអារម្មណ៍ថាសមាជិក Galaxy Legend គឺព្យាយាមបើក map បាក់ស៊ីណាទាំងអស់ដើម្បីគ្នាប្រកបបាន farm លួច farm ព្រៀបខាងទេលុយវាយមួយទៅ3ទៅ4មក final slash ធ្វើមកតានវាយតទៀតនេះគ្នាតែជាមួយនឹងការស៊ីងចាប់ King Eric នៅក្នុងតំបន់ជាមួយនឹង Vicky មកបានគេបន្តមានចំអ្នកក្រោយនៅទៅខាងមក Secret អត់មាន free ទៅមានចាំពីខ្លួនឯងនឹងជាមួយនឹងការលើកមិនរួចដូចគ្នា
អូយអស់ម៉ាណាបានពី Bimo the key កុំអីបោកជាមួយនឹង Secret ក៏ដូចជា Mass ចាក់ស៊ីងរបស់ King Eric នេះគឺបាននឹងដាច់ស្ទេបាទ Cypher
ជាងនេះដាក់ទៅបាំងនេះឯងបាទបាដាំងពេលចូលពីក្រោយជាងឲ្យដាក់បាំងគ្នាឯងនេះគ្នាបាទអត់ដាក់នេះខ្ញុំណាចាំពីមុខចេះមកដាក់ជាមួយនឹងជាងដាក់កណ្ដាលដៃសាតូបអត់គ្រប់ damage គេវាយទៀតចាយ flick ជាមួយនឹង Cypher ដកថយបាន right គណៈពេល King Eric ក៏បានមកដាក់នេះគ្នាវាយកុំវាយមក final slam មកចាក់បានដាក់ជាមួយ ulti លោតជាន់នៅរំដោះប៉ុន្តែជីងនេះខ្ញុំណានៅតែដាច់នេះគ្នាទៅលើ King Eric
បាទនិយាយទៅបើយើងប្រៀបធៀបជាមួយនឹង team fight បាញ់មិញគឺខាង team fight គាត់ចំណេញច្រើនតែនៅពេលដែលគេយកបានជាមួយនឹង T1 Turret ហើយគឺបានមកឃ្លាទៀតគឺធ្វើឲ្យ goal លីតទៅដល់ 2k ជាងបាទពីខាង Galaxy Legend អាហ្នឹងនៅផ្លូវ top lane អានឹងបាត់បង់ដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងក៏លេបមួយជាមួយនឹង team
បាទមក flick កាន់យកមក
បាទវាយ hero front line យកតែម្ដងអត់ទុកយូរទេបាទពី line
តែមិញឃើញណាវាយ Cadenza បាន3 stack Cadenza លូតប្រុចបាទ
គេហៅថា
អត់បានពេលបានប្រកាសមានតែមានពេលវេបញ្ញាប់បាទផ្ទះឆ្ងាយបាទគ្រាន់តែផ្ទះឆ្ងាយបញ្ញាប់សុំក្រុមការងារខ្ញុំទៅមុនហើយនៅវាយសិនបាទនិយាយតែកតោតនឹងពេល enemy មានបាក់ស៊ីហើយនឹងប្រូឌីហ្នឹងសិតតែអកសើហើយបាទខំអូស្តេចចង់ងាប់ចង់ក្រោយគេទៅបាទ
លេងអង្គុយញញឹមមកហើយណាបាទមកខ្ញុំចាំបានឃើញហើយជាមួយនឹងការវាយ team fight របស់ខាង Galaxy Legend ការ zone map ក៏ដូចជាការវាយ team fight របស់ខាង Galaxy Legend គេលេងរៀងប្រយ័ត្នណាបាទគេលេង set up មក flow រៀងស្អាតហើយណាមួយដូចនិយាយចឹងថា damage នៅ early សម្រាប់ខាង team Mike គឺគាត់អត់ទាន់មានទេ
Yes
បាទសម្រាប់ Eric គាត់ព្យាយាម make play វាយដែរប៉ុន្តែអីដែលសំខាន់គ្នាគាត់អត់មានជាមួយនឹង damage Bimo គាត់ជាប្រភេទ hero magical damage ផោកបាទគាត់មិនមែនជាប្រភេទ hero ដែល burst ដែលផោកផ្ដាច់ damage យក pick off ហ្មងទេបាទណាមួយបាអាស៊ីជាប្រភេទ hero tank jungler អញ្ចឹង damage ក៏អត់បានគ្រប់គ្រាន់ដែរបាទអត់មានជាមួយនឹង damage ទេហើយគាត់ត្រូវការរងចាំជាមួយនឹង damage របស់ Brody ដែលចេញពី line អញ្ចឹងអីដែលសម្រាប់ team កំពុងតែធ្វើនៅបច្ចុប្បន្នកាលក្រោម7នាទីនេះគឺព្យាយាមដាក់សម្ពាធទៅលើVicky ដែលជាដៃ Golan បាទគាត់ព្យាយាមធ្វើមិនបិទ Vicky កុំឲ្យ Vicky មានពេក
បាទមួយទៀតខ្ញុំសរសើរជាមួយនឹង Galaxy Legend ដែលគាត់ទោះបីជាបាត់បង់សមាជិករបស់ពួកគាត់មែនពិតដឹងតែគេអស់ skill មែនពិតតែពួកគាត់អត់ពួកកជ្រោក្នុងការវាយគ្នាគាត់ធ្វើអ្វីដែលចំណេញមានការទៅ invest យកជាមួយនឹង boss ក៏ដូចជាមានការយកជាមួយនឹង trade គឺចំណេញច្រើន
បាទ
ហើយ team fight ខ្ញុំគិតថាពួកគាត់អាចនឹងសម្រេចចិត្តក្នុងការដល់តែ5ស្មើបើគាត់វាយយកមក
Galaxy Legend មែន
ហ្នឹងហើយ Galaxy Legend
និយាយទៅមើល flow លេងសំខាន់ team Galaxy Legend មិនមែនទៅតាមអា season ហ្នឹងទេរឿង strategy រឿង team នេះគឺឲ្យលេខ1ហ្មងនិយាយមែនបើសិនថា game ចាញ់ក៏ពួកគាត់ប៉ិនបកាយនៅក្នុងការ defend ដែរសំបីតារឿង straight នៅក្នុងការវាយបើសិនជា game មើលថាមិនតំណងវាយមិនឈ្នះគឺមិនវាយហ្មង
ហ្នឹងអត់វាយយកហ្មង
គឺមិនវាយហ្មង
បាទមកវិញហើយ
បាទ Let's see អូបាទបន្តតយកទៅលើ Cypher ប៉ុន្តែជាប់ឆែកមីជាមួយ Chip សអត់បញ្ហាទេគ្នាអស់រមចាំមើលមានគេណាចូលវាយក្នុង T5 នេះគេដាក់ពេលសាក់ស៊ូអាចបើក map បានដែរឬទេនេះគឺជាសំណួរដ៏ធំ Secret អត់មាន ultimate សម្រាប់បងសាក់ស៊ូនោះទេសាក់ស៊ូចូលទៅក្រុមចូលបើកកង់ចូលទៅ retreat ហើយគ្នាប្រកបដើម្បីចូលនេះក្នុងណាតែកណ្ដែនសាសំដៅដល់មិនសិនគ្នាលើកវាយយករំបើកជាមួយនឹង Spell ឡូតទៅវិញមិនលើជន់ cover គ្នាមួយទៅ retreat បាទពីលីនេះក្នុងណាខាងទេលើបាយទៅទៀតគេដាក់ជាមួយនឹង King នេះតែជាមួយនឹងជាងតែលុតទាំងវាយយកតែទៅលើបរិវេណរបស់ Cypher តែប្រគិតទៅកាន់លីនដូចគ្នា
អូខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថាដើម្បីរបស់ line បែបហ្នឹងក៏ឈឺគួរសមដែរតែអ្វីដែលសំខាន់គឺគេនៅតែគាត់នៅតែរៀង stir នៅ early game ហ្នឹងបាទមែនទេបាទចាំភ្លាមជាមួយការចូលទៅ
ចង់ defender មិនអាច defend flick ឬក៏មិន flick នៅតែពី Secret លេងមួយ spell មិនខ្ចីប្រើ
បាទចឹងថថ2ថថ3ថថពីខាង Galaxy Legend គឺ full ជាមួយនឹង objective យកតែម្ដងនៅរងចាំតឡតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹង what ទីមានរបស់ team make អានឹងយកបានជាមួយនឹង lot ទី1
ក៏
Galaxy
លេខច្រើន goal ណាបាទហើយគាត់មានបាទគាត់មាន hero តុបឡទៀត
ហ្នឹងបាទ hero Brody នេះជា hero មួយដែលវាយស្ពឹកខ្លាំងមែនទេ
បាទប៉ុន្តែមាន a lot មួយដែលអាចមានភាគរយ change game បាន
ហ្នឹងហើយបាទប៉ុន្តែគាត់ថាបើយើងនិយាយពី a lot ទោះបីជាគាត់ final slash ជាប់បាន3 hero មែនប៉ុន្តែពិបាកផ្ដាច់គេ ពួកអត់មានហេរ៉ូផ្ដាច់ហ៎
តកំបូ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
និយាយទៅតគាត់ទះមកឬទះឬមួយក៏បាត់ដាំងរបស់ Cypher គាត់កំបូ make play ម្នាក់ម្ដងឲ្យធ្វើមិនការកំបូព្រោះគាត់តតែ perfect ហ្មងបាទ
បាទត្រាស់គាត់ក៏បង្កប់អត្តន័យមួយដែរគឺងាយស្រួលក្នុងការទប់ផ្ទះបាទឥឡូវចាំមើលមកពេលដែលបើសិនជាឧទាហរណ៍ថា Galaxy Legend ពិតជាបានលត់បានអីមែនហើយបុកផ្ទះគាត់មែន
បាទ
ចាំមើលស្រួលបុកអត់
អញើតក្នុងការបុកព្រោះដោយសារទី1មានបាត់ដាំងទី2មានជាមួយនឹង Alot បាទ
នេះហានិភ័យមករឿងដូចគ្នា
បាទតែគេក៏មានភាសាភោគឲ្យយើងចេញដែរ
Yeah
បាទវាម្នាក់ម្យ៉ាងអញ្ចឹងតែមើលគោស្រត់ពេកអស់ ulti
មើលចាប់ CC ក៏អត់ជាប់ចាប់កាត់តូតក៏អត់ជាប់ដែរសម្រាប់បាត់ដាំងបើសិនជា Harving គេមាន Purify បាទភាសាគេមានជាមួយនឹងចាប់ដើម្បីហោះក៏ដូចជា Quitter
បាទ
និយាយទៅបាត់ដាំងក្នុងហ្គេមនេះបើសិនជាចង់ចាប់ទៅលើ hero មួយណាក៏ពិបាកក្នុងការលេងអត់ពិសាយមើល
បាទកែកទេលុតវាយយកតែម្ដងអីយ៉ាងមិនចេះតែលើ King Ari ដូចគ្នាពេលនេះគេបាទអត់ញ៉ាំជាមួយនឹង Final Slash ទេតម Final Slash តែយ៉ាងណាខាងក្នុងចូលចាក់ផ្សេង Final Slash ដែរទេជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានរបស់ King Ari ទី5នៅតែបានបើខ្លួនឯងជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានរបស់ Big Mo លើហើបអត់ហើបទេបាទគេធ្ងន់ដែរតែធ្ងន់ជាប់លុតជាន់ចាយ Flick នេះគ្នាយ៉ាងណាជាមួយនឹងការ Sing នៅទៅយកបើគៀវបន្តទៀតចូលចាក់យកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានរបស់ Lane ល្បែ15ទល់ល្បែ10ចាំងលើទៅចាំងលើទៅបានជិះដល់ល្បែទៅម្ដងល្បែ15តាំងពេលដល់ចេះបានមើល
អត់បានមើល
អូសុនហ្វៃបៃខត Pro Esports 9នាទី20វិ Dark Side 9នាទី40វិឥឡូវលេងនេះ9នាទីបានវាអត់បានមើល
មើលអត់ទាន់ដែរមើលអត់ទាន់ដែរ
នោះបាទចាំខែ replay មើលឲ្យភ្លាមៗជាមួយនឹងការបាត់បន្តវាយយកទៅគ្នាមកដែរដូចតែបាននិយាយ lane slot នេះគឺយកមកលួចសัตว์ໄວខ្ទេច
បាទអស់លេងយកតែម្ដង
បាទ
បាទមិញអូទៅត
បាទអា straight នេះគឺបើយើងមើលសាច់តារាស់របស់ធីមនៅក្នុង MPL គឺត្រៀមដើម្បីវាយ CFU ហ្នឹងហើយតែវាយហើយបាទគឺលទ្ធផល1ទៅនឹង2បាទចែកព្រាមយកមកលេងជាមួយនឹង Mage យកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងកំហឹង Galaxy Legend បាទជាមួយនឹងទៅជាណាយកជាគៀងគោមចោលមកអូ late game គឺគេឲ្យបើកស្រាគេឲ្យជាគៀងគោមរបស់ Bimo គឺជាអ្នកឆៃ map តែបើតាមការភោគមួយនេះខ្ញុំគិតថាមានតែគេភោគឈ្នះ Bimo ទេព្រោះថា Bimo ក៏មានជាគៀងគោមយកទៅអត់លេខនេះគេផងដែរប៉ុន្តែអាណាគេអាចនឹងអត់ភោគមួយគាត់ឲ្យបើក team fight យកតែម្ដង Pilamis ជាមួយមើល Spellon បើ team fight ក៏មិនបើកសាអូគេតើពាក់កណ្ដាលនេះគឺមិនសសុំមិនចាំតែគ្នាលេងបាយយក Spellon ក៏បើកជាមួយនឹង2 stage 3 stage បាទប្រកម្មតែលវិសាអត់តធ្លាក់ទៅគេទៅសាទីមតមកគ្នាខាងទៅលបាយយកជាមួយនឹង Vicky ខាងក្នុងស៊ីចាស៊ីឡាចាចូលដាក់ជាមួយនឹងគេនេះមិនបានជាមួយនឹង Final ណាតែខាងក្នុងយកបានជាមួយនឹង Love 2 Lin ដូចគ្នា level ចាំងលើដាច់ដល់ទៅ5 level
ខ្ញុំសុំមែនសិនបន្តិចជាមួយ
9នាទី
យ៉ាប់
9នាទី
New record 4គាត់មែនបង
9នាទីមកសខិនថាឲ្យមកសខិន9នាទីមកសខិនបាទនិយាយទៅគ្រាន់តែលោតក្បាល9នាទីលោត level 15កលេចទៅ9 1 second បាទអញ្ចឹងថា9មកសខិនចុះ
វ៉ាវវ៉ាវ
លឿនលឿន
New
ខ្លាំង
record
បាទ
បាទ new record
បាទ
ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំចង់មែនសិនបន្តិចមុននឹងការយកឡតណា Galaxy Legend បែបអស់អាតែខ្ទេចយកហ្មង
បាទ
បានវាយខៃ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
បាទនិយាយ
និ
ទៅ
យាយទៅដូចតែបាននិយាយថា team fight ក៏អត់សូវចង់វាយគ្នាហ្មងណា
បាទយើងក៏ម្លេចដែរជាមួយនឹងរោងកុន Legend Cinema បាទអញ្ចឹងបាទសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់មកទស្សនាជាមួយនឹង
បាទ surprise ម៉ាំងទៅយកតាមដល់ជាមួយនឹងវាជាមួយនឹង Spellon ក្រៅមកទេលោកជួយគ្នាសិងចាក់បាយដាក់ទៅឆ្វិនសិងចូលទៅទៀតគ្នាទៅជាមួយនឹង Cypher រត់មិនរួចនៅទេអេត្រាំមួយនេះខ្លាំងពេកទប់ទេហើយប៉ុន្តែជាមួយនឹងបាត់បង់ Cypher ជាមួយទៅផ្ទះស្រួលដែរទេ
អត់អី seal thread បាទតែផុតទេ12នាទី
បាទ
12នាទីផុតលើ
បាទបាញ់មិនមក pass មកដៃបែរសេកតា
ហួរតលេបហើយ
ក៏នៅដាច់
អស់ហើយ
ហួរតលេបហើយបាទហួរតលេឈៀល mid lane មានក៏ចូល top lane ឡតក៏បុកដូចគ្នាជាមួយនឹងផ្ទះជើងតោលត់ចាប៉ុន្តែជាមួយនឹង King នេះមានមក final slam មានមក flick អាចនឹងចូលជាមួយនឹង combination អូយបាទផ្ទះតា flick ទេលោលេងតើបាទលើលេងទេមិនតែតា flick គ្នាថាកុំគណៈពេលតែគេនេះចង់វាយនេះមិនដែរប៉ុន្តែដាច់ជាមួយនឹងប៉មលើប៉មក្រោមបាទដែលចាប់ទៅលើលេនគណៈពេលមានការយកលើកទៅលើលេននេះមិនដែរលើកលូតជន់ជួយគ្នាមកវិញទៅគ្នាខាងទេវាយទៀតពីរបស់មានរបស់ Vicky ប៉ុន្តែជាមួយនឹង King នេះក៏ដកថយបានគ្នា
ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ថា Galaxy Legend ចិត្តធ្ងន់ខ្លាំងដែរបោកបើមិនក្តារអុកអាចវាយតាអត់វាយយកហ្មង
បាទ
វ៉ាវ
លុយដាច់5ខ្ទង់
បាទ
ហ្គេមសតចឹងឯងហ្គេមសតណាមួយបាស៊ីហ៎បាស៊ី Lancelot ដូចនិយាយតាំងពីដើមចឹងតែតាំងពីដំបូងចឹងតែគាត់នៅ early game គាត់រៀងស្ទើជាមួយនឹង damage បន្តិចបាទគាត់អត់តមានជាមួយនឹង គាត់មានប្រភេទ hero make play ច្រើនប៉ុន្តែគាត់អត់មាន damage នៅ early ទេហើយណាមួយការ set up team fight ក៏ដូចជាការ zoom map របស់ខាង Galaxy Legend គេលេងមក smooth
បាទអាយ៉ា Vicky លុយបាយម្នាក់ទៅប៉ុន្តែបតក់បិទគូតយកដល់ជាមួយនឹង Secret ដាក់ជាមួយនឹង Bimo លឿន លឿនយកតែមែនតែនទាំងអាម៉ាញ់មិញនេះគឺវាយនឹងវាយបោកគេទេពួកកដែនសាមិញគឺអាល់ទីអត់ទាន់ពេញទេតែពេញមិញហ្នឹងតែម្ដង
បាទ
បើវាយបោកណាបើគេហ៊ានវាយវិគីអាចដាច់
Yes
ហើយវិគីសំទោវិគីអាចនឹងបន្ទោសទៅកាន់កដែនសាថាចំអត់លោតជួយខ្ញុំអាល់ទីតែពេញមិញហ្នឹងណាអូ
ទៅដល់កដែនសាថាដាក់ដៃលើស្មាចា
បាទ
ព្រមចិត្តជាក់តិចទៅជាក់
ស
តិច
បួរប្រូលេងមើលអាល់ទីខ្ញុំបងបាទវិគីមិញវាយយើងច្រើនណាស់នេះប៉ុន្តែគេដឹងទេត caster មិនដឹងព្រោះសារយើងឃើញមិនខុសដល់អាល់ទី
បាទ
បាទបន្តដេញឡាយចេញពី team fight តែខុសបាត់ហើយអត់មាន flick ទេពី King អរិយខាងទេល្បាយបន្តពីវិគីសមាជិករបស់ teammate មិនអាច defend បានទៅក៏យ៉ាងណាគ្មានសញ្ញាណនៃការ defend ទេវិគី fight ដូចស្ដាច់ស្ដាតែមានកដែនសាចាំខុសបងវាយលោកវាយទៅជាមួយនឹង B មកលោកជាប់នៅក្រៅនេះគឺមិនបន្តការក្នុងក្របដៃសាតោជាប់ទៅលើល្បីបាយជាមួយនឹង Spal នេះគឺមិនបន្តឡាយ3 stack 4 stack ឡាយមាន ultimate ដែរទេឡាយបាល់តែក្នុងនេះគឺមិនអាចល្បីក៏មិនអាចនេះជាមួយនឹងការស៊ីទៅចាក់បាត់អត់ទៅជាមួយនឹង ulti double kill បាល់ចូលខ្លួនស៊ីចាក់ផ្ទះផាត់ trap សមែនេះឯងមួយមកសាប់វាយដៃសាមែនេះពីលីនចេញចំណាយហ្គេមទី1ទៅបានទៅលើ Galaxy Legend